Hi friends, so this video shows how to select custom ringtone. Open settings, select sound and vibration, then select phone ringtone and vibration. So here you can see ringtone section. So these are built-in ringtones. Here you can see ringtone from internal storage. Tap on that. Then you can select ringtone from your phone memory. So right now there is no ringtone files in my phone memory, that is why it's showing no ringtone files. So using this option you can select custom ringtones from your internal storage. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.